17 years old, running a marketing agency, making deals while my friends are playing video games. Sounds cool, right? Except some days it feels like my brain's running on 2% battery and the world expects 200%. But that's not the case today. Today, I'm not just surviving, I'm making some moves. And let me show you how I do things and how I go to like project sites, how I talk to my clients, how I edit my videos. Yeah, because actually everyone in the whole universe really cares about that. Like actually, what the f? Today's the last day of the year. December 31st, 2024. Of course, many people are just sitting at their homes in the last day of the year, chilling, watching Netflix or anything. But for me, since I'm independent, my life is a bit different than them. But if you don't know me, guys, my name is Arian, and I have a social media marketing agency called Return Group. Now, I founded this agency when I was 15. Grew it pretty much to right now, running with 7 and 8 clients. Did I just get hacked? Oh, we're back. We pulled up millions of views, some of them over 20 million views. Let's head to the first business, which is the property developer called Haravi Development. Today, I think we're gonna go through like 3 or 4 of their properties. One of them is in Lakeshore, Toronto. Without further ado, let's go.
All I hear, go get the money, so I go get it. Hate means I do something right, so I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him, yeah, I'ma let him. I hit the nail on the head, yeah, I'ma let him.
Okay, so come along with me. This is the first property we're here for Haravi Development. I started with them like a year ago. You can see some examples from here. So you can walk with me and I'll show you everything from inside. So we're now inside the property here. It's a very open concept. I just don't want to get into too much of the property details because I don't review houses myself. I'm just here to take some videos. So the equipment that I brought is just the DSLR camera. I'm just recording with it right now because I don't have two. And I have an FPV drone, DJI Avata 2, which we're gonna record some interior and exterior shots from here. But you can walk with me. So the process that we usually record houses is that my team and I go through like insane amount of like videos online and we just take some inspiration of what videos work the best from which angles. Right now the trending video style is like with these FPVs that they go from outside to inside of the houses. So we're gonna try and recreate it for today and hopefully we can see if it goes viral or not. This DJI Avata 2, this thing is sick. Of course we got the goggles here. So here is actually cool. Like when you come into construction sites, you need to wear gloves. And that's the mistake that I made. Definitely wear gloves if you want to shoot like in cold places. So now you can see I'm going over the house and then coming in. This is a sick shot that we can later use for editing. And then coming in, just like this. So the main thing for especially properties is the lighting. So today's cloudy, so there's a bit of problem. When we have like the sunlight to itself, it's gonna help a lot with like post-production. Now that the main drone shot is done, we have to come and use our main camera to basically get some wide shots of frame of this house. So now that the 2 properties are done, we're going to the Lakeshore one. These were just like framing shots, but these houses that we're going for Lakeshore, we're probably gonna edit them faster and roll them on. Alright guys, so this is another property by them, Haravi Development. You can see their sign. This property is undergoing a renovation basically. You can see in the video right here how the property was looking just a couple of months ago and I was just filming it over here. Right now it's just in the process. They're doing their best, so I'm just gonna switch my view. It's a great property. That's why they said they want to showcase the importance of the location of the property right here. And of course, in the editing, we need to focus on the exterior shots, such as the drone shots that I just took with the FPV. So the most important thing when you want to take real estate videos in general is, first of all, you need to take one wide shot of the property. Because you see, this property is huge. And if you take a wide shot, you can just capture all the details and all the general things about the property. Now, a mistake that I made personally when I started like taking these real estate videos was I started with these like zoomed in lenses. And that is a huge mistake. That's why I just purchased this $1,000 lens, which right now I'm just taking a video with. It's pretty insane. Okay, so now I'm back after like 3-hour, 4-hour work that we did with the houses and everything that we got. I have a lot of edits to actually finish for my clients. I have 3 videos to post. For the editing, I usually do in my studio, but right now since I'm at home, it's the last day of the year to be with family. It's a bit different. So I'm gonna show you some editing stuff that I got and let's go. Okay, so the first one is used car dealership in Toronto and they wanted me to create like a realistic firework video. So this is using After Effects. There are no color grading right now. And as you know, After Effects is a bit complicated than other editing softwares if you're coming from like those simple ones. So now let's check out the final result. And once that's done, I'm gonna go into Instagram right now to schedule the post for all of them. Because last year when I was doing one for my client, I was doing the editing at like 11 p.m. just an hour before New Year. I was just so stressed. Alright guys, so we finished our editing and everything. It was time to have some fun. And the last day of the year, I'm still okay, we need to play some padel, of course. Personally, I've been playing padel for over a year now. I have a background from tennis, and this is one of the first padel facilities out here. And I see a lot of gurus actually playing padel, especially like in YouTube. But again, they don't know how to play that well, like me. I'm just joking, but let's go play some padel, right? Let's go.
Look, tell a man no trouble, I don't want beef, man, I just want vibes. Big man like me, no need for the telephone hype. I got too much getting online. One rule, then dead I'm on site. Wrong move, I bet they gon' ride. No need for the telephone hype, nah. No need for the snoozing. Big whip outside, I'm cruising. Big stick inside, no losing. Better watch out for the snake and Judas is. Don't ask them who this is. I bet they know what I'm moving in. I bet I show it into.